The surgery begins after you are asleep under general anesthesia. You lie on your back while the team cleans your nasal cavity with antibiotic and antiseptic solution. A small image-guided device is placed on your head. It creates a 3D map on a screen that helps the surgeon move safely through your nose. A thin endoscope with a light and camera is gently passed through one nostril and guided to the back of the nasal cavity. A small part of the septum and the wall of the sphenoid sinus is open to create a path. The surgeon then makes an opening in the thin bone covering the pituitary gland. Once the bone and the protective layer beneath it are opened, the tumor and pituitary gland come into view. Through the other nostril, the surgeon uses delicate tools to remove the tumor. Near the end of the procedure, a small fat graft from your abdomen is placed to seal the opening at the skull base and reduce the risk of fluid leakage. Sometimes, a tiny piece of bone is added for extra support. Finally, a layer of biologic glue is applied over the graft to help it heal and prevent any fluid from entering the nasal cavity.